Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the class. Today, we will start a new chapter that is under Unit 3. And in this unit, we will discuss about local government and administration. And now, we will start the chapter 5, that is Panchayati Raj. So, first of all, you must know we are going to study what? Actually, uh, we are now moving towards uh, the local administration and the local government. The government which is formed at the local level. We have seen now there are various levels of government when we were discussing the government. Then we have seen that there are two levels of government we have seen. The first level was central government and the second level was state government. One more level of government is there. Okay? And that is local level. So, how this different levels of government works in the center at the central level there is a central government. Okay? And this central government is responsible for the administration of the whole country. Some matters which some matters which are very important and which need to be uniform in all the countries. All these matters under the are under the control of the central government, like defense of the country, then maintaining a relationship with other countries, then currency. Okay, so all these matters are handled by the central government. Then the next level was state government. And in this state government, what we see, uh, mm, there are 28 states in India, and in all these states, there is a government. And matters which are related to the state only, those matters are uh, handled by the state government, like trade, agriculture, irrigation. So, law and order, all these matters are under the control of the state government. Now, there is another one more level of government, and that is local government. And local government is related to those problems which are local in nature, like there is problem of drinking water. Okay, uh, then there is problem of road is not good, there is need to construct the road. Then there is problem of electricity. So all these problems are very local in nature. They can be solved only at the local level. Uh, if we wanted to solve the problem of this electricity, and we wanted the central government or the state government should uh, work for solving the problem of electricity in our locality in which we live, then what will happen? It will not be done effectively, because central government and state government, they are at a very distant place. They are they have so many other important work to do. So, in order to solve the problems of local nature, we need a third level of government, and this third level of government is local government. And then again, we see this that this local government is divided into two parts, two broad parts, we can say it. One is urban local bodies and the another is rural local bodies. Okay, rural means village, urban means cities. So there are some local bodies which are for the rural areas. There are some local bodies which are for the urban areas. Okay. So now under this local government, we are going to read about the rural local bodies. The local bodies which are there in the villages. And in this regard, we will study Panchayati Raj. In stories or in movies or in TV serials, you must have heard Gram Panchayat. पंचायत की मीटिंग हो रही, पंचायत पंचों ने ये सजा दी किसी को, ऐसा तुम लोगों ने सुना होगा, है ना। तो ये क्या है, ये जो जिस ग्राम पंचायत की हम बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द लोकल गवर्नमेंट बॉडी। ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस ग्राम पंचायत। ओके, and in this gram panchayat we will start our discussion with a meeting of the gram sabha which is uh, taking place in Hardas village. Okay, Hardas is the name of the village. And one more thing which you must know, gram sabha is an important part of Panchayati Raj institutions. And what is Gram Sabha? Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by a panchayat. Now, for one village, there will be one panchayat. Okay? But if the size of the village is small, then in that case what happens, that there is a group of village under one panchayat. So what will be the area of panchayat? The area covered by a panchayat may be one village, two village or a group of villages. Okay. Now this gram panchayat, an important organ of this gram panchayat is gram sabha. And now who are the members of the gram sabha? The members of the gram sabha are all the adult members of the village, of one village or two village or group of village which are under the area of gram panchayat. Is it clear? So first of all, you must understand what is gram panchayat. Gram panchayat is the local body which is for the village level. विलेज के लेवल पे जो लोकल बॉडी होती है, उस लोकल बॉडी को हम ग्राम पंचायत कहते हैं। ओके, और ग्राम पंचायत एक विलेज के लिए एक ग्राम पंचायत हो सकती है, लेकिन अगर विलेज छोटा है, एरिया ऑफ विलेज इज वेरी स्मॉल, देन इन दैट केस 2 और मोर देन 2 विलेज के लिए भी एक सिंगल ग्राम पंचायत ही हो। दैट्स क्लियर। नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग, ग्राम सभा। ग्राम पंचायत का ही एक अंग है, एक ऑर्गन है ग्राम सभा। And who are the members of gram sabha? All the adult members. जो भी 18 years से above के हैं उस गांव में, जो कि ग्राम पंचायत के अंदर आ रहा है गांव, उस गांव में जो भी 18 years से above के लोग हैं, they are the members of the gram sabha. Okay, now this gram sabha, now this members of gram sabha meets regularly in order to solve the problems of the village. Whatever problems are arising in the village, these problems are discussed in the Gram Sabha. Okay. And the another important function of Gram Sabha is what is it's the election of the members of Gram Panchayat. Panchs. Who are the members of Gram Panchayat? The members of Gram Panchayat are Panchs. And these Panchs are elected by the members of Gram Sabha. Okay. And there is a Sarpanch also. Sarpanch means the president of the Panchayat. So in this way it works. In further discussion, I will make you clear. All these things will be made you clear more. Okay. So now I am going to read the chapter and how this meeting of Gram Sabha is going on in Hardas village. What are the problems about which people are discussing in the Gram Sabha, and what are the solutions which are presented by the villagers. So all these things will be discussed now. So we will see. It's a special day today. Everyone is rushing to get to the Gram Sabha. So everyone is very busy because everyone had to appear at the Gram Sabha. Why? Because the Gram Sabha is holding its first meeting after the election of the new Gram Panchayat. So after election, the Gram Sabha is going to meet for the first time. So everyone is very excited to everyone is very excited for the meeting. And the people of Hardas village are keen to find out what their new panchayat leaders have planned for the village. So these panchayat leaders, who are the panchayat leaders? These panchayat leaders have been elected by the members of the Gram Sabha. And in this meeting, you can see these are the members of Gram Sabha. All these are members of Gram Sabha. Okay? All these are members of Gram Sabha. And these are the Panchayat leaders, or we may call them Panches. These are the Panchayat leaders. You can see number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Panchayat leaders are there, and among them one is Sarpanch. Okay, so everyone is very much excited in Hardas village, and they are going to attend the meeting of the Gram Sabha. Okay. Now the Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat president, who is also called the Sarpanch. So you should underline this, who is also called the Sarpanch. The Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat president and the members of the Panchayat presenting a plan on repairing the road that connects the village to the main highway. So how the meeting starts? The meeting starts with a plan. This plan was presented by the Sarpanch and the Panch. And what is the plan about? The plan is about repairing the road that connects the village to the main highway. And after this presentation of plan and after the discussion on the plan, there was discussion on the subject of water and water shortage. Okay, Now you can see in the box it is given what is a Gram Sabha. You must memorize this. The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by a panchayat. This could be only one village or a few villages, as I told you. In some states, as in the example above, a village meeting is held for each village. For each village, there is different meeting. And anyone who is 18 years old or more who has the right to vote is a member of the Gram Sabha. Okay? Anyone who is 18 years old or more and who has the right to vote as a member of the Gram Sabha. Okay. Now we will see what other things are going to be discussed in the Gram Sabha of Hardas village. First of all, the plan for repairing the road has been discussed, and now there is discussion on water and water shortage. A villager called Tijia begins the meeting by saying, "The water problem in Hardas has become very acute. The hand pump water has gone well below the point up to which the ground has been drilled. We hardly get any water in the taps. Women have to go to the Suru river, which is 3 kilometers away, to get water." So we see the water problem. The people were facing acute water problem in the Hardas village, and in this regard, there was a villager, Tijia, who starts talking about the problem of water shortage. What happened in Hardas village? That the hand pump was one of the important source of water for the people, but uh, at present what is happening that hand pump water has gone below the point up to which the ground has been drilled. So the ground, first of all, how we get water from the ground, from underground? We drill the ground and we reach the water level which is available underground, and then that water is we used to हम उस वाटर को क्या करते हैं कि हम पुश पुल करते हैं, अपनी तरफ खींचते हैं with this hand pump. And many times machines are also, borewell is also done through machines. We used to pull that water. So hand pump, when we move the handle of the hand pump, then in that case what happens, the water gets up and we get the water. But now what is happening in Hardas village, that hand pump water has gone below the point up to which the ground has been drilled. जहां पर ड्रिल किया गया, जहां तक ड्रिल किया गया, suppose this is your surface and this is your hand pump. Okay, and how this hand pump, so यहाँ पर what is done, drilling is done here only. Okay, and now you suppose drilling has been done up to this level. Okay, and now what we find is that hand pump is not giving water. Why? Because the water level has gone low. यहाँ तक पहले water level used to be here. So what will happen, that whenever we move the handle of the hand pump, we will get water. Okay, now what happened, that this water level has gone down. Now there is no water at this level. These water has been used up by the people, and now we find that water level has water level has gone below this level of ड्रिलिंग ड्रिलिंग यहाँ तक की गई एंड नाउ वाटर जो है वो यहाँ चला आया है. So what will happen? We will move the handle, still we will not get any water. The same problem was the people of Hardas village were facing. The hand pump were not giving them water. And in this situation, what was happening? How people were getting water? In the women of the house, they have to go to the Suru river in order to take water. And this river is 3 kilometers away from their village. So you can just think, in order to fulfill the need of water, they had to go 3 kilometers away every day. So this was a very difficult situation. Okay, then we see that one of the members suggests piping water from the Suru and making an overhead tank in the village to increase the supply. So in order to solve the problem is water shortage. So people are giving their advice how to solve this problem. One of the members of Gram Sabha suggested that what we should do, that through pipe we should bring water of Suru. Through pipe we should bring the water of Suru river to our village, and then in the village we should make a tank, and that in that tank the river water will be filled. It will come through the pipe and it will be filled in the tank, and then we will use from this tank. So there will be no need to go to the Suru river. We will bring the river water through pipe and we will store it in the tank. But this suggestion was not welcomed by other people, because it was an expensive work. They have to make the pipeline, then they have to construct a tank. So it will be a very expensive matter. So what will some other people suggested that instead of doing this piping and constructing tank, we can also do this, that we should deepen the hand pumps. हैंड पंप्स जो ड्रिलिंग यहाँ तक की गई थी, अब हम उसको एक नया ड्रिलिंग करके नाउ वी विल मेक इट डीपर. अब हम ड्रिलिंग यहाँ तक कर देंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन, वी विल बी एबल टू गेट द वाटर, बिकॉज नाउ द लेवल ऑफ ड्रिलिंग विल गो डाउन and the level of water will go up. And other thing can also be done, that wells can be cleaned so that we can use the water of the well. But when this suggestion was given, TGA says that this is not enough. Why this is not enough? Because what will happen, that in next season, mostly water shortage, the problem of water shortage occur in the summer season. So TGI is saying that this is not a permanent solution, because in the next season what will happen, that the water level will go again, water level will go below the level of drilling. This year we have water at this level, but next year what will happen, that we will use up all these water and there will be no water at this level. And then what will happen, that in next year water will may reach here, and we will not be able to use this water. So again the problem will be there. So this is not a permanent solution. We need to do something more permanent, as groundwater level seem to be going down every year. Every year it goes down. It's a fact. Okay. So why it's happening? Why the water level is going down every year? Because we are using more water than is seeping into the ground. You have read water cycle, and according to it's a fact, it's a scientific fact that the amount of water which is present in the atmosphere never changes. There is change only in the form of water. Volume of water does not change. But still we are facing water shortage. Why this water shortage is there? Because water is not getting seeped into the ground. Because there is so many construction work is done. There is no soil which can seep the water. There is deforestation. So all these reasons are responsible for the water shortage. So this is what TGI is saying, that if we this year we start deepening the drill of the hand pump, then next year again the problem will arise, because we are using more water than is seeping into the ground. This is very important. Why we have water shortage? This is the reason. Okay. Now another member is there, Anwar. He tells everyone that he has seen ways of conserving water and recharging it in a village in Maharashtra, where he had once gone to visit his brother. So now Anwar is saying that once when he has gone to Maharashtra, he had seen how the water is conserved and recharged. And that is a very effective way to preserve water. So Anwar was talking about watershed development. Watershed development is the management of land surface and vegetation, so that the soil and water can be conserved, not only for the immediate purpose, but also for long-term benefits for the whole community. So it is a watershed development which was done there in the village of the Anwar's brother, and for this the government also give aid, financial aid to the people in order to start this watershed development. And what else? He says that in his brother's village, people had planted trees, constructed check dams and tanks. Everyone thought this was an interesting idea, and the Gram Panchayat was asked to find out about it in detail. So, other than this watershed development, what people in Anwar's brothers village do, that they planted more and more trees, which is called afforestation. The opposite of deforestation is afforestation. And they also constructed check dams and tanks in order to um, solve the problem of water shortage. And everyone who were present in the meeting, they were of the opinion that the idea which is given by Anwar is very interesting, and not only interesting, it was a long term solution to the problem of water shortage. And for this purpose, mm, the people of in the Gram Sabha, they asked the Gram Panchayat to find out about it in detail, how we should do, what to do in watershed development, and how we will get the financial aid from the government. Okay. So This was the meeting of the um, Hardas village Gram Sabha. First of all, the road repairing of the road was discussed. The plan was presented by the by the panchayat leaders, and after that, the problem of water shortage was discussed. Now, another problem was on the agenda. Another item was on the agenda, and that was the finalization of the list of people below the poverty line. So now we will discuss this in the next class. What do we mean by uh, poverty line? What is below poverty line? And how this all is done. Okay.